In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So the name will be topped right underneath the clock as well as right above the camera. So let me show you how to do both. Then the thing you want to do is swipe down right here, click focus, exit out that top thing, then click new focus. Then add a custom focus, then add your name. So I'm just going to add my name, then click next and add the color you want and all these other things. I'm just going to have Fire Brian Stevens, then click customize focus. Then once you're here, you are chilling because you do not need to add any more focuses. So then just go all the way back, scroll down, pull down your control center, and then click on your name. So click that on. And now if I go down and clear this, you will see my name at the very bottom. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye. And this is very cute. Now it has my little icon and my name on it.